Have you ever stopped to think about the amazing world happening inside of you, invisible to the naked eye? Billions of tiny units called cells are constantly working together, creating the miracle of life. These cells aren't just sitting still, they are bustling with activity. Imagine them as miniature cities, with cargo being transported, buildings being constructed, and even entire cells moving around. This incredible activity is all thanks to the amazing mechanical processes happening within each cell. These processes are crucial for life. From the tiniest bacterium to the largest whale, every living thing relies on the mechanical work of cells. Without these processes, cells wouldn't be able to interact with their environment, transport nutrients, get rid of waste, or even maintain their shape. It's a world of constant motion and change, and it's happening every second of every day inside of you. How do these cellular cities stay so active? Just like a city needs cars and trucks, cells have their own special proteins called motor proteins. These incredible molecules act like tiny engines, moving along tracks formed by a network of protein filaments called the cytoskeleton. This network provides structure and support for the cell, but it also serves as a highway system for motor proteins. One of the most important tasks of motor proteins is transporting cargo within the cell. Imagine them as delivery trucks carrying essential supplies like proteins, lipids, and even entire organelles to different locations. This transportation system is crucial for maintaining the cell's structure and function, ensuring that everything is delivered where and when it's needed. Cells aren't just blindly going about their business. They are constantly aware of their surroundings. They have special sensors called receptors on their surface, which allow them to detect changes in their environment. Think of these receptors as tiny antennas, picking up signals from the outside world. These signals can be anything from changes in temperature or pH to the presence of hormones or nutrients. Once a cell receives a signal, it can respond in a variety of ways. It might change its shape, move to a new location, or even activate specific genes to produce new proteins. For example, when you cut your finger, cells near the injury receive signals that tell them to start dividing, helping to repair the wound. With so much activity going on, it's amazing that cells don't fall apart. The secret to their stability lies in their incredible ability to regulate themselves. Cells have intricate feedback mechanisms that work like a thermostat, constantly monitoring their internal environment and making adjustments to maintain a stable state. For example, if a cell produces too much of a certain protein, feedback mechanisms can slow down production to prevent a buildup. On the other hand, if a cell isn't getting enough of a particular nutrient, it can activate pathways to increase uptake from its surroundings. This constant fine-tuning is essential for keeping cells healthy and functioning properly.